Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I guess my first video. So today we are playing 99 Nights in the Forest. By the way, can you please subscribe? This is my very first video I had in this channel.
Magsasabit mo na doon, Be.
Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry for that. Because I'm gonna just speak my own language, I guess. Tagalog or Filipino. So what's up mga... Ay. Wait. I'm a Filipino, okay? I live in the Philippines. I'm on phone, by the way. I just connected my mouse and keyboard. Oh, this is my mate. That's my... I don't use it that much. Can I just make this one? Well, let me just this one. Matatanda kayo kahapon. Oh my bata. We do this well, let's just start this. I'm at 0 because this is a new account. My name is Exploiter Hacks. For some reason it's selected. Because I have like this Delta Executor. I'll try to find like the link again because I forgot what is the link. So yeah. I cut the video because yung lola ko tumatawag sa wait, hold up, hold that. Okay, this off. Okay. By the way, is it off? Yeah, it is off. Okay. Is this off? I'm still like, look on see. Okay.
Ayan po, ipasabit mo muna doon. Palitan mo yung sandok.
Patapos sa inconvenience, uy, dito ka agad eh. Nag-ano kasi ako, uy, may bagyo ba o may bago? Aray ka! Sakit nyo na. May bagyo ba o may bago na? Grabe. Lala. Oops. Wala. Yun pala. Nako. Hirap naman. Oh my god. What is it? It's a salmon. Salmon eh. Oh my god, kahirap. Yan kasi dyan yung madadaming isda. Aray, nahulog. Kailangan ko lang ng dilaw.
Anong bag mo doon?
Aray ko. na. Ay, pwede na to. Alam ko na yan, yung deer yan. Ay, hindi ko rin yung deer. Sila ko natin 20. Okay. Maya na ako mag-load ito. Ba't hindi nyo ito pinaplot, boy? Firewood. Dito daw. Ito daw ko na lang. Guess ito? The fuck is this? Uy, ano to? What is this, brother? The fuck? I'm solving this thing, but it's fake. What is in here? Is that the thing? Pizza! Oh! Oh my god! It's the cultist!
Dali lang.
It's the cultist thing. May tao dito. Ay, may tao dito. Hindi ko patayan. Hindi ko patayan. Hindi ko mamatay. Oh, hindi ko patay. Uy, ko. Uy, 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 mamamatay ako, boy. Uy, tulong, boy. Uy, ay, uy, 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 uy. Uy, 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 uy. Kailangan to, kailangan to, kailangan to. Kailangan, aray, aray, mamamatay ako. Mamamatay ako, boy. Mamamatay ako, mamamatay ako, mamamatay ako. Aray ko, aray, aray, aray. Tulong ka. Restart tayo, restart. Wait lang. Langat lang. Mamatay ako, aray ko po. Sayang, black fruits ha. Ay, ano to? Ano to? Ba't?
Mga patay ko lang ang nakikita. Bibili nila para mga candy lang.
Apa? Cracker.
Sabi kong basura, ilagay mo dyan. Basura, ilagay mo dyan. Susunog ako.
Maya. Maya. Mag-troll tower kaya tayo. Wait lang, login lang ako sa account ko. So guys. Hindi ako makalogin, uy! Uy! Use another verification. Uy! Lo! Ay, padrilyon ko. Uy! Ang pagpadrilyon ko. Hindi yan. Sana yun. Wait lang. Pangalawa ko nga. Wait lang. Wait lang. Oh my god. Don't worry about the password pag nyo nag-copy. Hindi nyo gana. Joke lang. Save password, yes. Save ko yan. Mas kailangan ko yan. Lo, ba't nawala yung account ko? Uy. Uy. Nawala to. Uy, account ko to. Nawala ako. Ano ulit mga avatars ko dito? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Customize. I have 0 Robux here. What? Hello. Nawala. My other skin, may YT skin. This is my date. Wait lang. Save as new. Let's do green bean event. There we go. Green bean event 2. Okay, pagkatapos ayan ako lang bigyan ko na ako. Okay. Skin, may white tees. Oh yeah, alala ko na to. Tapos gamit ko na to. Banana bro. Okay, so what the frick happened to my mouse? Uy, nangyari sa mouse ko. Oh my god, nagalag. Lang, uy. Uy, hindi mo gulaw. Uy. Hindi mo gana. Uy. 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 Mouse ko. Uy. 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 Hello. Mutual friend. Dude. Because I love Justin. Wait lang guys, oh my gosh.
Ito, bigyan kita ng sandok. Iba rin mo yan. Ako naghihirap maglabas. Kasi yan.
Wala. Ano to, mag-crash ang game ko. Mag-crash at ang game ko. Wala. I guess dito na lang tayo mag-end tong video guys. Oh my gosh, nawala. See you soon. My god. Crash ang game. Lampatay mo ang cellphone ko. Wala, hindi mamatay.